everyone, it's Asuka here. In this video, I will show you how to make shining crystal nails. The design with its neatly arranged diamond shapes glittering and shining differently depending on the angle of view looks like a fake video created by an AI. This crystal design is created using only diamond-shaped holograms and Aurora powder. You can use it as an accent in a 5-finger nail design to create an eye-catching nail design, so be sure to watch until the end. Okay, let's get started. If you are going to apply it directly to your own nails, start by taking care of your nails. Lightly sand the nail surface, removing oil with ethanol, and then applying a base coat and curing it under a light. First, I'll apply the base color. To create a crystal look, use a sheer color that is transparent to your own nails. In this case, I will spread this light blue color over the entire nail. After applying the color to the entire nail, cure it. One coat is too light, so apply 2 coats and cure. Next, prepare Aurora sheets and cut them into diamond shapes. If you already have diamond-shaped holograms, use them. There are various colors of Aurora sheets, so use the color you like. This time, I will use a sheet that shines yellow. First, cut off this sheet in a long thin strip about 3 mm wide. After making a mark, use a cutter to cut off an even width. Next, cut off the tip in a triangular shape, and from there, cut off diagonally to make it symmetrical. This way, a diamond-shaped hologram is created. After making many diamond-shaped holograms, place these on the nails. Pick up the one with tweezers and apply base coat on the back side. Turn this diamond holograms over and place it in the center of the nail. In the same way, place diamonds vertically in a row on top and bottom. If the diamonds are too large, cut them off. After placing the diamonds in a single row, place the diamonds next to this so that they are perfectly aligned next to each other. If the diamonds slide off or move during this process and it is difficult to do, apply a nail light for 2 to 3 seconds to temporarily hardening. In this way, the diamonds will not slip off. If the hologram does not fit, cut the hologram to a size smaller than the nail and use it. Once the holograms are placed on the entire nail surface, place the nail in a light for the specified time to hardening it firmly. Next, apply a base gel over the top of the diamond holograms to eliminate the bumps. Take more base gel than usual and coat over the holograms. When holograms and shells are placed on the entire nail, small bumps inevitably appear. If they are left as they are, hair will get caught in them, which will interfere with daily life, so it is important to remove the bumps. Once the uneven nail surface is covered, cure the nail as it is. If there are still bumps after curing, wipe off the uncured gel with ethanol and file the protruding parts. Once the bumps are gone, the next step is to rub blue Aurora powder on the nails. First, apply a no-wipe top coat over the entire surface to make the surface smooth. In addition to Aurora powder, if you want to use mirror powder to create a mirror look shine, apply a no-wipe top coat beforehand. When you have finished applying the entire surface, cure it. Next, rub on the Aurora powder. This time, I use this blue Aurora powder. Take an eyeshadow tip or your finger and rub it all over the surface of the nail. Rubbing Aurora powder on it adds a sense of unity. After rubbing it on, use a soft brush to brush off any excess powder. Next, spread the non-wipe top coat over the entire nail as a final touch. When the entire area is coated, cure. This completes the process. The result is a nail design that looks as if your fingertips are covered in crystals. How did you like the crystal nails? As summer approaches, shining design like this will become popular, so I hope you will try them too. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, please hit the like button. And if you like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. See you soon. Bye.